In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Zoho Mail account password. This can be an essential skill for those moments when you can't remember your password or want to enhance your account's security. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together step by step. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Zoho Mail sign-in page. Well, if you're not already familiar with it, you can simply type Zoho Mail into your search engine and select the sign-in option from the official website. Now click on Sign In to proceed. Enter your email address associated with the Zoho account. Once you've typed that in, you'll want to hit Next. If you find yourself struggling at this point because you're unable to recall your password, don't worry. There's a handy option for situations just like this. Simply click on Forgot Password. This option will guide you through the process of resetting your password securely. Next, enter your email address once again, then move on to the CAPTCHA verification. By clicking Verify CAPTCHA, you're proving you're not a robot, which is essential for maintaining the security of your account. After completing the CAPTCHA, click Verify to move forward. Now this next part is crucial. Zoho will prompt you to enter the last password you remember using for this account. It's okay if you're unable to recall the exact password. Simply enter what you think was the last one used. This step helps Zoho verify your identity and prevent unauthorized access. After entering the last password, select Continue. This will lead you to the options for resetting your password. Zoho gives you a couple of choices to verify your identity further. You can opt to verify via your email address or your mobile number linked to the account. If you choose to verify through your email, Zoho will send a verification link or code to your registered email. Check your inbox, follow the instructions provided, and you'll be on your way to creating a new password. If you opt to verify via your mobile number, expect to receive a text message containing a verification code. Enter this code into the designated field on the Zoho page. Once you've verified your identity successfully using either method, you'll be prompted to create a new password. A quick tip here. Ensure that your new password is strong and secure. Consider using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. After setting your new password, confirm it by entering it once again. Congratulations, you've now reset your Zoho Mail password, and you're all set to access your account as usual. Don't forget to keep your login credentials in a safe place, or consider using a password manager to keep track of them securely. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Have a great day.